Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Eric and this is Wise Capital FX. So if you're new to my channel, first of all, feel very much at home. If you have any question, kindly don't forget to leave it on the comment section. Remember, what we do here is talk about trading most of the time. And if you need a link to my Telegram group, the link should be popping up, or find the link on the description part and click it and we'll be able to meet on the other side. So once in a while I do post potential trading opportunities, and currently it's around 7 p.m. on Thursday. It's on 17th February 2022. And as you can see on my Telegram group, I've already posted Euro NZD. We have a potential buying opportunity, and I've already posted the chart as well as the targets, stop loss and take profit. If you need such tips or ideas, it's free, by the way. Just click the link on the description part to go to my Telegram group. I'm free. And remember, if you need any training or help of any sort, I'm your guy. Most of the things I don't charge, but of course, the things that I do charge. So currently, without wasting time, let's move to this pair and see why I've decided to buy it, or why I've decided to say it's a potential buying opportunity. So the first thing you should be able to see is that this thing is going upward. We have higher high, then we have higher low, then we have a completely new higher high. Ideally, this is uh, the characteristics of an uptrend market. You've heard several times you should not be trading against the trend, or you've heard the trend is your friend. So you should follow the trend. And that is the way the market behaves if it is going up. It makes a series of higher highs and higher low, or in other term, it gives you a zigzag that is going upward. So that is the first characteristic of this market. So ideally, this is an upward trending market, and we should be looking to go long. Then the second, so that I usually like to highlight the points here. So point number one, you could write, is we have uptrend confirmation. Right, because price is giving you higher highs and higher low. The second thing you should be able to see is that we have a trend line confirmation, this one here. You can see price has been playing along this trend line. See, whenever it came here, it got pushed up, it came again, it got pushed upward again. So currently we are on this trend line again. There's a high probability we might get this push upward. Guys, I'm a pure technical analyst, so I don't depend a lot on fundamentals. I believe that uh, price action is all you need to know. If you depend on news, you might be late, you might be early, volatility and stuff. Your stop loss might get hit. Again, if it is your way of trading, no problem. But this is the way I do it. So you might want to take some notes. Then the second thing we've said is we have trend line confirmation. So if you check my other videos of other potential trading opportunity, you'll identify, or you'll see that I'm consistent with my way of trading. Make sure that majority of uh, what I usually look for is present on a chart, right? Then the next thing we should be able to see is that this area, this zone, you can see this area acted as a resistance, pushing price down. Then we came back to this area again, we get a small push, then we get a break above this area, so we get a push, then we come again. So common trading mantra, or common trading technical ideas, or is that when a support is broken on, where a resistance is broken, for our case it is a resistance that is being broken, then price comes to retest it, this resistance zone will turn and become a support. Remember guys, you want to buy low and sell high. So this is the low, you want to buy low and sell high. So another point that we have here is point number 3. We have support zone confirmation, right? Right. So the third point is that we have a support zone confirmation. Now from that, ideally that is wave analysis. We want to see what the market is doing on a bigger picture. From there is when you zoom in, you want to see which type of candlestick or the type of candlestick that is forming. And at this point, you might want to drop to H1. So if we drop to H1, nice. You should see as price was approaching this trend line, we get a series of doji candlesticks. Do you see them? So a doji candlestick is a neutral candlestick pattern that tells you neither the bulls nor the bears are in control, or it's kind of a pause. Take it like two teams are playing football. When team A scores and team B scores, there's no winner. So in such a situation, is like we have the Bulls and the Bears scoring, so there is no clear winner at that particular point. Then, usually when this happens towards a support or as a resistance zone, it gives you clue that something is about to happen. So just like in the football match, you need to wait for the next team to score in order for you to decide who is the winner. And uh, soon after, we get a candlestick with a longer lower wink. Some of you know this one to be a hammer candlestick. You see this one? And we get a confirmation. Again, if you compare the sides of the candlestick, you see we have bulls getting momentum. So this is your clue that indeed buyers are in control. So you might want to go long at 1.69608, and you could target all the way 1.73 438 with your stop around this area. So most of the time I make sure I risk 1 to 2. I want to, if I'm risking $10, I want to make $20. That is my risk reward most of the time. I'm preparing another video about doji candlesticks and how you can add them in your analysis to give you more confirmation. So please watch out for that one, or I'll post it as soon as possible. So that is what I have for now. Give me those likes. I really beg for them. And don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, goodbye.